guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hi bro.
Hi.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Brother's channel. Always a joy to meet a biker brother. Wishing him all the best. He's working really hard to create good quality content. So be at it and pretty damn sure you'll make it big in the days to come. Always spread positivity and ride responsibly. Cheers.
Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new BS6 Suzuki of Ciaz. So some of the celebrities are using still this Ciaz. Let's see what are the specifications of this Ciaz. First, let's open the engine lid. So this is the engine of the vehicle. So petrol engine. So very refinable engine, very silent engine I can say, and this is the battery placement and installation is very nice. So same engine placement as displacement of all the S-Cross, XL6 and Ciaz as the same engine. So heavy boot and build quality is very nice, and this is not a facelift, so this is a perfect sedan. And coming to the headlights, these are the projected setup of white LEDs and running DRLs at the setup. These are halogen soft indicators, and this projected setup is very much high beam at night view at the night. And this is the fog lamps, also in the LEDs of fog lamps in the white and chrome treatment around the fog lamps, very nice and huge fog lamps design. And this is the front grille, and see the piano black touch of the grille, and see the stretch marks of the grill size, grill design, very nice, and Suzuki logo at the center. And this is number plate placement. So bumper is huge, and there are sprinklers on the engine lid. So coming to the side, this is a side profile of Ciaz. So today it has been completely vlog of all the Nexus cars, so it has been late. And coming to the side, this is a tire profile. See silver gloss black finish of chrome treatment touches on the alloy wheels, and Suzuki badge at the center. This is a tire, and the profile of the tire is 195 55 16 inches tires and tubeless tires, and disc size is massive and performance is also very awesome on the disc size. So this is a side view mirror with a halogen of indicator, and there is no rooftops on offer. This is a sedan car, perfect, and there you can see the silver treatment of door chrome handles and keyless entry of car. And this is a chrome line finish around the line treatment around the windows and off the market around, and see the finish of chrome treatment on that also. So it is off the market, so we will get these accessories in the Nexa showroom only. So this is a rare profile, and it look like BMW sedan vehicles and series of the BMWs, and original piece of accessories in the Nexa showroom only near Kukatpalli Y Junction. And Suzuki badge at the center, Ciaz written there, smart hybrid badge there. So see the LEDs lights, tail lights, very nice and attractive look. From far it looked like very nice attractive look, and because of the spoiler most of the look has been came. And see the reflector chrome finish around the reflector at the same finish, and sensors has given 4 sensors, and camera setup is given here. So this is a camera setup, and there is a light bottom of the number plate placement. Number plate placement is very nice. So let's open the boot. So this is a boot size, 590 liters of boot size, massive enough of boot size, and no light of offer. So under here you can see the no spare wheel on, so it will be the spare wheel, but it is not there now. So no toolkits and spare wheel. Nice installation of boot. So heavy sound shed on, and this is a fuel lid, and this is the side profile of Ciaz. Windows are large enough, interior is airy feeling of that, and these are the red doors. So these are the red doors, very nice, and see the treatment of white treatment of this door and door handles, and wood treatment of door finish, and chrome finish of door handles and power buttons. And there you can see the 1 liter bottle holder and magazine holder. So this is a rare profile of the seat. So 3 people can easily sit, and very comfortable. One secret of that, I will sit inside and say this is a rare seat. And under the support is massive enough of this seat, and knee room is massive because of these comfort levels of this vehicle. And see the massive, it completely pushed back towards me, and also is this much space between the seat and me, and magazine holder, scooped out seats, headroom is massive enough. One of the secret of this vehicle is some celebrities, famous personalities are using still this car only because of comfort levels at the rear seat, like Mukesh Ambani we can say. So we can inspire of him. And coming to here, 2 headrest, adjustable headrest, and here you can see the center armrest with twin cup holders. Seats are very nice, and leather treatment is very nice on offer. Here you can see to keep some stuff, and No splitter seats on offer. There you can see the holder with light, and also here you can see the holder with light. So light is not working now, sorry for that. And wood treatment of this, all the 4 doors are very nice, and silver finish on this door also so very nice. And color treatment is very nice, dual tone color treatment on offer. Here you can see the dashboard design, very I have impressed very lot of this dashboard. And coming to here, you can see the 12-volt charging socket is given here. Here you can see the air vents at the rear, AC vents. So 2 AC vents as given here, and control of the AC vents button also given here only. So excellent comfort level is massive enough of rear seat, rear passenger, very nice. I impressed very lot. And speakers on a door, 4 doors are having. Let's go to front and see the what are the features are there in Ciaz. Set time. So here you can see the power windows buttons, and these are the side view mirror adjustable, and this is the chrome door handle. Wood finish is very nice and attractive. This is the special attraction, you can say. Holder, and there you can see the 1 liter water bottle and magazine holder. Tweeters on the doors. So this is the dashboard design, very nice and dual tone treatment, and wood finish in the between is very attractive design. I have impressed very much of this dashboard. And first is first, here you can see the center armrest with a space to keep stuff, and nice treatment. And here you can see the handbrake, and this is a gear lever of automatic. Today I'm driving all the automatic vehicles of Suzuki Nexus cars, and the end of the day, this is the last vehicle of Ciaz vlog. And gear is very nice on offer, and here you can see gear lever is very nice on offer. And this is twin cup holders, and there you can see space to keep the step, and 12-volt charging socket is given here. Aux USB ports are given here. So this is a auto climate control AC, and small digital meter, and there is buttons for the AC control. This is a temperature, this is a fan speed, this is a Apple CarPlay of 8-inch touchscreen, and Apple CarPlay, Android and app connectivity of this touchscreen. And so audio quality is massive on this vehicle, and very nice of audio quality on offer. So this is touchscreen, basic touchscreen and infotainment system, you can say. And there you can see the AC vents, and as well as switch is given here. Controls for AC vents of each and AC vent we have controls, and very nice. This is a black treatment on the dashboard top, and there you can see the cream treatment at the lower side. So coming to here, the massive enough of glove box to the documentation, and AC vents are very nice. Now of the AC, very sound. Sorry for that. And there you can see the doors are very nice, and see the wood finish continue rolling towards the dashboard from the door, very nice. And this is auto dimming inside, and there you can see the sunlight holder, and lights are given here, and mic is given here. No sunroof on offer, disappointing. So this is a perfect car to comparison of Hyundai Verna, Honda City, and Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. There you can see the mirror with no light, and here with no mirror, no light, only tool receipt holder. This is a steering feel, very nice, and catching the steering is very nice, and big steering. Suzuki badges center. These are controls for the audio system, these are control for the cruise control and infotainment system, instrument cluster, sorry. So these are the controls for the call, attend and decline, etc. And this is the instrument cluster. I have said many of instrument clusters, so all the Nexa cars are same. Left side are RPM meter, right side is the speedometer, center has a digital meter, and lot of information in the center. Digital meter with the odometer, trip A, trip B, range, fuel gauge, average, trip A, etc. Time, temperature, gear indication, lot of information in that. And in right side speedometer, you can see the fuel gauge, and very attractive, and with the Indian ambience lighting. So this is a front dashboard, very nice. There you can see the Ganpat Bappa Murti idle, and here you can see the another side. This is the right side of Indian start stop button is given here. This is traction control on something. This is a pass light of high beam and low beam switch is given here, and this is a AC air vent again. So here you can see coin holder is given here. Interior is airy feeling inside the cabin. I have impressed very lot of this, and I like the treatment of the dual color treatment on the dashboard, sorry. So this is a rear seat from the front, very nice done. So color treatment of the seats so very nice. Leather is very nice, cushion is very nice, comfort levels are awesome, I can say. So this is a walk around video. Let's go to test drive and see how the performance is. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys.